Hello students, in this video I have come up with the solutions of objectives and I'll be telling you some subjective explanation of the answers. So today we are going to discuss the answer key of 12th standard HSC board examination paper which was conducted on 26th of March this year for geography subject for arts and science students. So first of all, I would like to say that the paper was very easy and even the objectives were not much confusing. So definitely everyone will score very good marks in geography. So just tally whether you have written the same answer or not. So let us start with question number 1A. Complete the following chain according to the correlation of factors in column A, B and C. So here three columns are given. So the right answer for Antarctica is permafrost. That is the permafrost in option in the column B, and no permanent resident population in column C. Next is metropolitan city. So the right option for metropolitan city is million city, and in column C Mumbai is the right answer. Next question is market gardening. So in column B, modern type of agriculture is the right answer, and in the case of column C, more use of capital is the right answer. Next is Panama Canal. Panama Canal joins Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, so that is the correct answer. So column B may say Atlantic and column C may say Pacific. Next is human geography. Column B is population geography and column C is economic geography. So both population and economic geographies, they come under human geography. Now let us move ahead with do as direct. So the first question says arrange according to the increase in the age. So increase in the age means you have to arrange it according to the increasing order. So first will start with child, then the young, and then the adult, and then the old. Okay, so they have told us arrange according to increase in age. So increase in age means first child, then again increase in age will be young, then after that increase in age will be adult, and after that increase in age will be old. Next is question 2, arrange in ascending order of settlements. So 4 settlements are given and you have to arrange in the ascending order. Now if you see in all the options, सबसे जो smaller settlement will be considered as suburban area. After that city will be considered as the next one. At the third position will be metropolitan city, and at the fourth position it will be mega city. I repeat once again, first will be suburban, then city, then metropolitan city, and then mega city. Next is question 3. Arrange types of industries according to the capital investment in ascending order. So how should be the capital investment? And it should be in the ascending order. So here first is micro, second is small scale industries, third is medium scale industries, and fourth is large scale industries. So this is the perfect ascending order by which you have to arrange the capital investment done. The capital investment is very small in micro, after that in small scale, after that in medium, and then in large scale. Now the fourth question is arrange administrative regions according to the area in ascending order. So administrative regions diye hai. So this is the very easy question. Even a 7 to 8 standard student can solve this question. So here the solution is village. After village we have taluka, after taluka we have district, and after district we have state. Next is arrange the land use with respect to the growth of gross domestic product, that is GDP, from favorable to non-favorable. Favorable to non-favorable. So favorable land is that land where agriculture takes place and the crops are grown, and non-favorable land is that land where agriculture and crops are not done. So सबसे फेवरेबल जो लैंड है इन चारों ऑप्शन में, so that is cultivable land. So any cultivated land is considered as the favorable land. After that the second position will be grazing land. So even a grazing land will be considered as a favorable land, because it gives lot of scope for animal husbandry as well as it gives lot of scope for the development and occupation. After that, grazing is land under forest, and last is barren land. Barren land means the unused infertile land which is not used under cultivation. So this will be the hierarchy. I repeat once again: cultivated land, then grazing land, then barren land, and then land under forest, and last will be barren land. Next is choose the correct option to identify the correct correlation in the given statement. Assertion and reasoning. Number 1, fertile plain regions are densely populated. So this is very true. Wherever the fertility is more, that region is densely populated. So this option is true. Next, fertile soil is useful for agriculture. This statement is also true. So both the statements are true. Now, as both the statements are talking about fertility and it is talking about agriculture, so definitely wherever agriculture is done, population is dense. So here, option C, both A and R are correct, and R is giving the correct explanation of A is the right answer. Second one, assertion is broad base in population pyramid indicates higher number of children. So this is true. At the base we start with the children age, and broad apex in the population pyramid indicates higher number of old people. So this is again true. So both the options are true. But here they are talking about broad base, and in one case they are talking about broad apex. Okay. So here we are going to say that both A and R are correct, but R is not giving a correct explanation to A. Why? Because in the case of A, they are talking about children. In case of R, they are talking about old people. Okay, so they are not speaking about the same age criteria. So I feel that R is not the correct explanation of A, will be the right option. Next is question 3, assertion. India is an agrarian country. We know that maximum of the people in India is engaged in agriculture. So this is totally true. Next, reasoning is population engaged in agriculture is high in India. So this is again true. As both the statements are talking about India and both the statements are talking about agriculture. So here we are going to say both A and R are correct, and R is giving the correct explanation of A. Let us move to the question 4. Humid climate in Mumbai is suitable for cotton textile industry. So this is totally true. And reasoning statement is Mumbai is situated near Arabian Sea. This is also true. So now both the statements are true. As we all know, in the coastal areas the climate is always humid because of evaporation of water. So here we are going to say that both A and R are correct, and R is giving the correct explanation of A. Now we'll move towards fifth question. Assertion. Geographical location is necessary to an area. So to an area. So this is a true statement. Reasoning is geographical location does not affect regional development. So this is false. It never happens that geographical region does not affect regional development. So here very clear cut we can find out the answer is only A is correct. Now we'll find out, identify the incorrect factor. Number 1. Here you have to find out the odd option, which is not the right option. Number 1. Factors affecting migration of population. So options are employment, education, census, and health. Now what are the reasons behind migration? People migrate for employment. Yes, this is correct. People migrate for education. This is also correct. People migrate for health. This is also correct. So census is the incorrect factor. So answer is option C, census. Next question, primary economic activities. Primary economic activities. So here we have agriculture, hunting, fishing, and small scale industries. So agriculture is a primary economic activity is correct. Hunting is the primary economic activity, even that is correct. Fishing is also primary, and small scale industries are the secondary economic activity. So here the incorrect factor is option D, small scale industries. Let us move ahead with question 3. Factors favorable to cotton textile industries in Mumbai are. So we have options like A. Mineral. Mineral are nowhere needed for cotton textile industry. Option B. Humid climate is almost required. So this is correct. Market is also required. This is also correct. And lot of labors are present. Even that is the requirement of each and every industry. So this is also correct. So the incorrect factor is option A. Mineral. Let us move ahead with question 4. Modes of communication. So options are mobile, television, aeroplane and email. So mobile, television and email are used for communication purpose. Okay. Aeroplane will come under modes of transportation. It is not under modes of communication. So option C, aeroplane, is the incorrect factor. Let us move ahead with physical factors affecting the regional development. So topography, climate, market and water supply. Anything present naturally, physically will come under physical factors. So topography is a physical factor, climate is a physical factor, water supply is also a physical factor. Only market is considered as the man-made factor. So the incorrect factor is option C, market. So this is all about the objective. Now we'll move towards question and give reasons. So in the case of give reasons, population distribution is uneven. So very easy answer it is. You just have to mention about each and every area and explain it. So I think not much explanation is required in these things. The model answer sheet for these questions I'll be providing you soon. Once I get a model answer sheet, I'll provide you the soon how to write the answers, what are the expectations and how your answer should be. So by that you can just conclude that how much marks you will get. Your predictions may come more accurate with it. So keep watching the videos. Soon I'll be coming up with the model answer sheet and then you can just find out the appropriate solutions. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.